Hey guys, this is Austin with WaltonSync.com, and this is our 2019 New Year's sales and giveaway video. Walton's had an amazing 2018 thanks to our wonderful customers. To show how much we appreciate it, we're going to kick off 2019 with an amazing giveaway. One lucky winner is going to get to start off their year with a brand new Broil King Baron 420 grill. This grill is made right here in the USA. It has 40,000 BTUs on the main burner, 644 square inches of cooking space, and 4 stainless steel dual tube burners ensure that your grill heats evenly from the front to the back. And it comes with reversible cast iron grill grates, giving you perfect sear marks on one side and grooves on the other side to help hold juices and keep your food from drying out. Whoever wins this grill is going to have an awesome reason to celebrate. Speaking of celebrating, I think I'm going to pop this champagne bottle here and get the new year started off right.
Hey Austin, what are you up to?
Ah, my eye!
Austin, where are those cards? I want to thank our customers too, but I can't see anything since you poked out one of my eyes. Right there we go. All right, so I am going to thank our customers by giving them deals and letting them make great jerky. First, I'm going to put the Jerky Slicing Board Kit on sale for $20.99. And if they want to make restructured jerky, I'm going to give them the Jerky Gun for $39.99. And so that they can measure out as large of batches as they want, I'm going to put the 330-pound scale on sale, $10 off. Then I'm going to take $2 off of the Gigawatt and the Walton's Bowl, two of my favorite jerky seasonings. And so that they can be safe and cook all their jerky up to 160 degrees before they dehydrate it, we should take $5 off of this 3-tier jerky rack. And to make sure that they're getting up to 160 degrees, we should make the 5-inch digital pen thermometer just $17.99.
Well, John, wasn't that on the other, never mind. Well, another thing people do this time of year is to make resolutions. A good one is to do more of your cooking at home. It's healthier and can save you money. I'll take $200 off of the Pro Cut number 12 KG12 SS and $110 off the KG12 FS. Both of these grinders are commercial grade pieces of equipment that would fit well into a home user's kitchen. And with these sales, hopefully their budget as well. We'll also take $10 off of the pork puller so you can make amazing pulled pork at home. Cooking almost anything is a lot better with a cast iron skillet. So we're gonna put the Jim Beam 12-inch cast iron skillets on sale for just $19.99. One of my favorite things to cook in a cast iron skillet is burgers. So we're gonna take $2 off of our adjustable burger and slider kits. Now all of these sales start now and go until the end of January. So make sure you take advantage of them and stick around at the end of this video as we're gonna be sharing some of our favorite bloopers from 2018. John, why do you have fireworks?
These aren't fireworks, these are just sparklers.
Okay, well, I guess you can't do much damage with that.
But I do have this.
John, be careful. You remember what happened last time.
Hi guys, this is John from Walton.
Yeah. The next program is the smoothie button for making delicious smoothies from...
Comes off and it can quickly detach just by removing the lever, and then you can unscrew the head.
God, my face is like puffy or something over. I don't know what the hell is going on with me. Oh. Two main types of chorizo, Mexican or Spanish.
My phone was in the picture the whole time.
Hi guys, this is John from Meat Logistics University, and this is Cured Sausage 104. So, I don't have it written down.
It's got a nice spice with some saltiness. It's a good, oh no, we're gonna have to redo that. Yada, yada, yada. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
Pressure. Nope, we're good.
Oh no.
Our meat bags. Now, when we do fill our meat bags, we are going to switch out to the biggest stuffing tube that's going to come. Hi guys, this is John from Meat Genic.
Oh my God, that's so good. Camera 2.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel. Poop.
If you're using encapsulated citric acid instead of
Subscribe to the Walton's YouTube channel for more great content and videos, and don't forget to tap the bell next to the subscribe button and laugh at John as he's an idiot.
Hi guys, this is John from Meat Genic. God. You keep wanting to say meat genetics.
Go. I don't know, pose with it.
Are we in focus? Maybe it's just because my shoulders muscles are so massive.
I don't want to say
So
yes because it
unbalanced.
gives you confidence, but honestly,
Hulk smash!
It's really close. Not really up there.
But back here we are.
It's more from, like,
It's as soon as you get
here
up to this level.
To here.
Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Cured Sausage 104, Basics of Making Summer Sausage. I'm gonna have to write it down.